I'll see this Scat, man. It's clean. Just watched it yesterday. I mean, I've been driving it since yesterday and today, so it's probably it's still clean. Anyway, just a quick video. Got some stuff yesterday for Father's Day. If you follow my personal Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Got, like, you know, some regular shit, money, gifts, but I asked for some car stuff and I got that. It's nothing major, you know. Let me go ahead and show y'all. If you've been following my YouTube or just my car Instagram, if you knew about my last Scat, I had to get something back that I left from my last Scat. So anyway, when my car got totaled out, I was like taking everything off, and I thought I had everything. Like, I got everything that I could, like, you know, basically see, like, you know, an intake, shit to trim and all that stuff. But one thing I really forgot that I really liked on my other car was, let me show y'all, man. Bam, these lights. And these are the lights that, you know, when you open the door, show the Scatpack logo right there. And you know what, I'm not gonna say I started. I damn sure wasn't the first person that had these lights, but I'm telling you this right now, once I got the lights, I started seeing so many people, like, with the lights. I promise you. And you know, some people reached out to me and they was asking me questions about it, this, that, and third. So I know like, me getting them, you know, had other people getting it, you know. So, you know, I'm just, you know, wasn't the first person with it, but I'm telling you this, sales went up after Scatpack Moan put the lights on his motherfucking Scat. But anyway, so I got the lights and I got something else, man. And I just thought about something when I was looking at it, but we gonna see, you know, once I put it on and stuff. I'm gonna figure this out. So anyway, you see the front of this car, you see it, you see the grill, you see the grill. So anyway, when I was looking at cars, I was kind of gonna get a HELLCAT, but I didn't get a HELLCAT. I ended up getting another Scatpack. But one thing I really like about the HELLCATs is, like, you know, the front bumper. So I don't know, I may still get a HELLCAT front bumper, or, you know, if I have to find one for a cheap price. But anyway, one of the things that really irks me about this Scatpack, the front of it, is this shit right here, this RT sign. Now, you know, people like, you know, RT Scatpack, but man, some dude hit me on Instagram, some numbnut, some idiot, was all like, oh, you got a RT or SRT. And I said SRT because I wasn't about to, I was thinking he was talking about like a 5'7". I don't got no damn 5'7", you know. So it was a little back and forth bullshit, but I just don't like the fact that it says RT in the front. Because people that don't know the car, some people that ask me, oh, is that an RT? No, it's not an RT, bro. It's a, you know, 392 Scatpack, whatever you want to call it. So I did get this as well. Let me go ahead and show y'all, man. Got this as well yesterday, and this is a badge that goes on the front. And if you're looking at it closely, you see this is gold right here. I took it to the shop and had them replace the red. Well, they just put this gold, so the same gold that's right here, you know, on scratch, they put the gold over the SRT part right here, so you can see that, and it's reflective as well. But this is from Rebadge Design. That's like the main person that makes, like, you know, these badges and shit like that. And a lot of people order stuff from it, but I didn't know that it was just like this rubber, you know, flimsy piece that's gonna stick on here. And I mean, this get pretty hot, so I don't know, but I just feel like it would fall off or something. But I guess not, because I've seen people that have it that's still in that car. So basically, I'm taking off this RT and I'm putting that right there. That's just gonna look way better. I'm sure y'all what it look like once I get it on there. So anyway, I gotta take this off, and it's some type of pins or something like that that you gotta pull off. I seen, you just look at it right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some pins. I'm gonna leave this Challenger part right here for right now. I may take it off later just because it don't even go with the car. You know, I actually I may get this painted. I'm actually gonna paint that. So I'm gonna take this off, put this on here. That's gonna look way better, and it's gonna be reflective. Look at this. Just look with a little hit of red, the gold. That's just gonna be fucking hard. So I'm gonna put this on here, and then I'm gonna put my lights on here. If you want to know how to put the lights on, I got an install video, so you go check that out. That's just gonna be something quick. I'm not gonna record that. I got an install video, go check it out. But I will show you what it look like at night, and I'm about to put this on, and I'm gonna show what you. I'm gonna try to put a picture of this, what it look like at night, just because it's reflective. I'll probably put a picture up. And if you not already follow my car Instagram, because I definitely will be posting a picture on there of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this RT badge off and put this on and get these lights on. and I'll show y'all what it like after. All right, so I got it off. Basically it's 2 clamps, like this one and this one. It's 2 pieces they want you to pry off, but I basically broke it because like it was just taking forever. So I was like, fuck it, broke this, but it don't matter because I was taking it off and it's never going back on. If I was to switch the badge out that I put on here, I'll put something else before I put this back on here. So like I said, it's basically 2 clamps and then 2 little screw pieces that you got to pry off the you know, take it off like the right way. But I just broke them because, you know, like I said, I'm not gonna ever use this again. But here you go, y'all see it, man. You see SRT powered, gold, red, got the B. And yeah, this one just looked way better than this big red RT that was right there. So I'm gonna try to put a picture in it, you know, what it look like at night with like a flash. Actually, if you want to see what it look like at night, I'm gonna put a picture on my car Instagram, you know, with just like the flash with the stripes and this like glowing. And that's basically it. Like I said, I got the I went on put these in. Can't tell because it's daytime, but I'll put a little clip of that. But that's basically it. Like I said, it's a quick video, 2 small mods. Got way more stuff coming. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, follow the car page, and that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.